Let's talk about focus. Come on, let us admit, we always have heard the words focus and consistency maybe 1,000 or more times in our life. In order to succeed in life, we need them. Whether we prepare for competitive exams or job interviews, working on our startup or making YouTube videos like me, consistency and focus are the key to success. But here's the catch. We are never told how to focus in such a distracted world. Huge companies are investing so much money just to gain our attention, so getting distracted is quite normal. Let's take an example. Between us and our dream life can only be fulfilled by work, which requires focus and consistency. So, after watching tons of motivational videos and getting inspired from so many successful people, I finally decided to work towards my goal. When I finally got down to work, my mind wandered after 40 seconds. Instead of getting demotivated, I researched and learned that it was the direct consequence of social media. Our brain has approximately 80,000 thoughts in 24 hours, and most of them were negative, focusing on things which are beyond my control. That's it. I devised rules to follow and to train my brain to focus on. So the rules were: no social media for 7 days, not switching on YouTube while working, not thinking about others, only work and me. तू कर्म किए जा, तू फल की चिंता मत कर. I took the code very seriously, and so this time I was very dedicated to work on my goals. And I was in the initial time I was really distracted, but here are the 5 tricks that helped me to get back my focus. So the first one is the 5-minute rule. Now what is this 5-minute rule? It will break your procrastination. Let's say you're extremely lazy and you don't want to work. Just trick your brain and say कि चल यार 5 मिनट के लिए काम कर लेंगे. As for me, I tricked myself and saying कि यार 5 मिनट के लिए सिर्फ स्क्रिप्ट लिख लेंगे YouTube का, या फिर 5 मिनट के लिए सिर्फ कोई एजुकेशनल वीडियो देख लेंगे अपने किसी टॉपिक पे ऊपर. Now once you do that, your brain thinks कि 5 मिनट हो जाएगा, उसके बाद we are free. But it is proven that once you get into that 5 minutes, you are not going to stop your work. So here comes the second trick, that is a 25-minute and 5-minute break. That is a Pomodoro technique. Now in Pomodoro technique, you will set a timer for 25 minutes, and in that 25 minutes try to work with your utmost focus. मतलब focus के एकदम extreme level पे. Don't get distracted कि अभी क्या फ़ोन में क्या नोटिफिकेशन आ रहा है, क्या कोई कुछ मैसेज कर रहा है, ये मत सोचो. सिर्फ 25 मिनट तक अपने काम को पूरे डेडिकेशन के साथ कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करो. Once it is done, take a 5-minute break, and in this 5 minute में कुछ भी कर लो, मोबाइल में गेम खेल लो, गाने सुन लो, घूमाओ, जो भी कुछ भी करना है. Then again 25-minute work. So ऐसे होगा अगर आप अपने 1 घंटे या 2 घंटे के काम को ऐसे 25 मिनट के स्लॉट में ब्रेक कर लोगे, आपका फोकस मेंटेन रहेगा. So the third thing is 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule says that our 80% of impact from the work we do comes from only 20% of the work. So अगर आपके टू डू लिस्ट में फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10 चीज़ें हैं करने के लिए, देन चेक कर लो कौन से टॉप 2 और या टॉप 1 टास्क है जो सुपर इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके करियर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से और आपके लाइफ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, और सिर्फ उन पे फोकस करो. देखो फोकस बना रहेगा. एंड द फोर्थ इज मेडिटेशन और एक्सरसाइज. कुछ भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी हो या मेंटली मेडिटेशन करो. अगर आप फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज एक्सरसाइज करते हो मे बी से 15 मिनट्स या 20 मिनट्स के लिए दिन का, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, आपके ब्रेन में वो ऑक्सीजन इंक्रीज होगा, और एज अ रिजल्ट जब आप काम करने बैठोगे ना उसके बाद, तो वो फोकस मेंटेन रहेगा. वर्क एक्सपेंड्स इन डेडलाइन, ये है मेरा 5th ट्रिक. अब वर्क, अगर अब मैंने सोचा कि मुझे ये YouTube वीडियो 2 हफ्ते में बनाना है, तो मुझे 2 हफ्ते ही लगेंगे इस YouTube वीडियो को बनाने में. अगर मैंने सोचा कि यार मुझे ये YouTube वीडियो 7 दिन में डिलीवर करना है, तो मैं ये 7 दिन में ही डिलीवर कर दूंगी. सिमिलरली अगर आपके किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आपको पता है कि यार 30 मिनट में मैं ये प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट कर लूँगी, तो उसे अभी इस 30 मिनट के स्लॉट में कर दो, या फिर डेडलाइन को रिड्यूस कर लो. और द फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज वर डिफिकल्ट. To mostly cut off the distractions that had impact on my mood is hard. I think we switch on to social media to get instant dopamine effect and escape from our problems. But if we really push ourselves and keep on working on our goals, it will give us far more happiness than a short dopamine hit. I replaced that instant trigger with something new and interesting to do every day. I watched good informational videos, read some books, or I should say some pages, had so much self-talk with myself and learned some really small tricks in life. The focus span gradually increased and the negativity, constant overthinking reduced to a great extent. I finally had control over my life. I was not on an autopilot mode anymore. I'm sure if you guys try it out, you will feel some changes in your life too. 1% better every day is 36.65% better version of oneself. And if we get 1% worse every day, it is 0.03% of ourselves at the end of the year. So let's get our life back.